welcome back on top the night show. We will not to get time. Make we hand over to Pastor Iheanyi. May continue on top the topic when we talk about this evening. Okay. Sexual satisfaction for husband and wife. If you never marry, make you listen, make you learn. Our phone, okay, no more phone calls for this evening. Continue. Sorry.
So, the people who don't talk to their husbands, they tired, they lazy.
The Lord is their strength.
It's okay. If you tire, just work with what you have. Okay.
So get what you want.
Yes, and once you finish, just follow him. No run. As you tire, so do your work, go. Now, for the man, when they even try for his wife, we won't talk to now. Your wife now, like your artwork. You know, now your job
to paint her.
Yes, to make her happy. So when she no happy, you no get any right to be happy.
It be like person where they fat. Meanwhile, the old landlord rent. He doesn't supposed to fat.
Yes.
You have no right to fat.
You're supposed to fast. Instead.
Supposed to thin.
You see this nedu analogy. You can't taste style. You can't sour the soup small. Okay. So the man, now your job to work with your wife. No be, should they do all kinds of things to make sure say you happy? So your own job, the least way if you do, they say once in a while they ask. Because women know they fit talk, say, I come or no come. Waiting in mean, we say, we go push the responsibility to the man. They ask from time to time. When you don't do church, you go ask, say, shall we get full service?
Yes.
Both of them go follow and laugh. Say, now praise worship, I stop. It means, say, you know rich.
You know rich. Oh, that's the coded way to take ask.
You know rich. You say, I say, we don't do church today.
You don't have full bar?
Say, now.
You don't get full service.
Say, no.
Say, now. Say, it's in just, it shows more.
Now, Christmas lights.
You know, so what did it mean? We say, man, no vex. Now your wife. It means, say, her sexual libido, they relatively higher than normal. So it means, say, yeah, so it means, say, you go walk meet her. It don't mean, say, she be bad girl or her eye today for up, or make she cool down, meet you somewhere too. It means, say, your own sexual libido, they very normal. Her own no they normal. It means, say, you go help her reach promised land. Because if you reach promised land, she no reach. Now you they find trouble.
Ma ask this question now. Men when he be say one make sure say them reach them their wife reach promised land before them, and then no say they not they pass 1 minute 2 minutes. Now what if them take something where could make them stay more than?
You see,
that blue.
I just say ask if because men, so can men go say if you take this thing, you go stay 1 hour. You go do this one.
You see, say that matter we go answer them with wisdom. When they take something where one make you day inside service for 4 hours, for service will be 15 minutes. You know, say you go spoil something. The
if
day,
you want to serve something, go
yes, the day where service go happen. And none of all those battery chargers are there around. Now then your story you go just come out.
Open.
Now when you open when you open like that, you know say good name. Now one bad thing they spoil.
Hey! Bam.
One you don't they try one bad thing like you just look say honey. So don't be you.
Oh, so not so no. So that white thing that nylon.
So don't be you.
And so can women that can get mouth. When they wash you finish, you can't explain. No, actually, it's not.
Not be for your front. Now when other people come, you the form man for your staff. Because just look you. Say you kwa.
And when he don't say you kwa, you know what it means.
Say you to man.
Even you.
Hey.
People they talk, you they talk.
Say you go meet me for house. You know where we go. Say you to na man. You know, so make we leave that on that subject, and make we leave those where
they do that.
Where we get all those people, and we go ask them. Make we know, make we keep them as practical. Make we keep them as practical.
Once we don't enter, Pastor, may I just read and come out. Oluwatosin when saying they watch from Turkey. He said, Pastor, she they appropriate make husband and wife they meet during pregnancy.
Yeah, well, scientifically, there's absolutely nothing wrong with having sex
when woman get belly.
There's absolutely nothing wrong.
Because except say continue.
Except say now you won't begin to try really crazy, awkward positions for her. And so, you know, so that are just, this one not be even spirituality, not just sheer decency. You know, not just onto saying that your wife.
Because if you want, you say, oh, you're turn like
maybe you stay with snake and ladder or up and down.
And he's saying no snake and ladder.
It's okay. It's okay.
And they follow the rule, they talk that snake
and what if in the case when he say some women they believe say when they get belly, say you suppose they sleep with them so that when they want and they hear this thing say when they want bomb bikini go they easier.
And now you see to even bust that all that myth. Some men they hesitate to sleep with their wives because for their mind they get belly. But the woman, no mind.
Her blood they charge.
Yes, because things are moving. Program has changed completely. You know?
Yeah, the whole dynamic. See as easy yours quiet since you never talk.
Program they run for that.
Okay, now this matter of men, women staying longer than man. The basic thing now for people to understand what they good and that's okay. Make man know which means it's supposed to know the move button.
Yes,
of in wife. They know what thing go carry in wife reach there.
Yes.
And it's supposed to start from beginning. They
do all kinds of things.
You are the mosquito in my net.
No yours just enter program.
Yes,
like that.
you know, welcome. And you know, sometimes, not even, if you know say now once you enter, you don't really, they fly, they go. Then no enter till further note. Make she be the one. You see, now we don't get into the rudiments of the act itself. If you know say you go just quick come spoil the thing, give them authority. Say when time reach, let me know. Then we go enter. But make we just make we just they
around
yes,
the
just they play around.
Just they
once the thing time reach.
Then he's saying they watch from Germany. The program they very interesting. So the topic go help plenty couple. Pastor, you are doing a great job. Keep it up. Nedu, Katim, ECB that they hail.
One question I go ask. Women now, when he be say, when that woman talk, he say, the man go just stand up, go toilet, come back, sleep. What thing those women go do in 1 minute? What thing they go do?
Okay. The women or the men, we go talk to the women, but we go talk more to the men. Exactly. When you finish sex is a very exhausting thing, especially for the man. And now real, even calories.
Die from.
Yes, if it alter your palpitations, heart palpitations.
But you know they kill woman.
I never know person where
I never know woman. A man I always say they
so when you do like that, yes. So you they tire. When you enter bedroom, no forget say na two people get sex. Because sometimes when the man stand up like that, as he don't reach, he don't completely forget. Say somebody help him reach. You just enter bedroom, wash mouth, clean body, just come back, climb bed. Please, no they ever forget. One of the things where if you even do say, now once you, and I don't think like that, hold your wife small. Then ask. Say, I don't, say me I reach you. Say thank you. Say you reach at all so.
I know reach you.
So once you hear say we no reach, you go come ask say, how I go fit help.
Tell me what you go do.
Yes.
What I go do where
how
you say
I
go
go help you. Sometimes if you don't kill the mood completely, it will be tomorrow night. But once you take ownership of her own emotional state, you don't score already. Once you hug them, say, I beg no vex.
Yes.
Say it don't happen. Forgive me.
But
how we go do it? So tomorrow now, I'm not go near altar. I go just there around. Once
I go there door. I go do all
this. Just guide me.
Sometimes, if you want even score well as man, you even if you say that day, or every program where you do, now make she come. And make this she come, you end the program. And you say, but you never come. You say, no, don't worry, it's all about you.
All about you.
Say it's all about you.
Anyway.
Enter bedroom, bath, cold shower. When she enter, you say, don't worry, God is helping me. So you go do
anyway, double toilet all up now. Wait call us this evening. Sorry, say we'll not even take plenty calls. Now because of say we want make Pastor Iheanyi really talk. This matter never finish.
Yes.
The small part will remain. Next week Friday we go end up. So we go discuss and well. And next week Friday we go make sure say for like 30 minutes we go first discuss and well
before we begin taking your phone calls. Thank you. Una when they watch us online.
Una when they work from Germany,
Venezuela,
Turkey,
Colombia,
France,
Colorado,
everywhere. Double toilet all up una.
France.
And then if
you get people for France.
We know somebody will get people for France. We're not gonna call their name.
They wear shine
cap. Then they wear shine cap. Then they wear red cloth. They know themselves. Anyway, double to a little person here. To our producer, we day back for there, and Baba, and to everybody. Alva Wilfred, thank you. Till Monday, we're gonna get better weekend.
Enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy your relationship, Oga. Make sure say your wife reach bus stop. I beg. Good night.
And God bless.